Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. And we're starting off on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, we are still pushing up after a three-way pullback at a higher low. There's a pretty good chance that this is going to go up and make new highs and probably just keep on trending up. My analysis for weeks now is that this is either a one, this is a two, and we're in the middle of a three. And if that's true, we will definitely continue to make higher highs, higher lows on the daily, weekly, probably for at least the rest of the year. Or possibly this is an A, this is a B, and this is a C. If that's true, eventually we'll get a big break of structure to the downside. We definitely do not have that break of structure to the downside, so I'm definitely still trading this to the long side, especially now that the daily market flow is back up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, unfortunately, we're right probably two-thirds through a move right now. So I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right here. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short when the higher time frames are all in an uptrend. So unfortunately, the only strategy right now, in my opinion, is to either be waiting for an exit to a trade that you're already in, potentially from right here, or maybe from back here, or maybe from back here, or the strategy right now on this pair would be to be patiently waiting for a brand new three-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.